the MOAT is one consumer scale measurement. We sit today in 8 billion devices around the world. We measure human scale. And that's a very hard problem. And not a lot of people can do that. There's very few companies that can actually pull that off. Is one, you measure human scale. Second, I collect and process every human individually in real time. So I process you and aggregate you all in real time. That's how we built the video business. You have to know exactly what your audience is seeing as they're seeing it. Well, it's the same with agentic. You have to see every consumer's conversation as it's happening. Because I have to, if it goes rogue, I got to know right now. So I can't wait for tomorrow to find out my agent went rogue. I got to know now. So the ability to collect every consumer human scale session, process that into behavior patterns, stateful behavior patterns. We'll talk about that next, but process that into behavior patterns and then load that into a pattern database that is in real time showing you trends in what's happening. So one, I see that my consumers are happy, or two, I'm seeing trends in what I may need to go fix in my agents, maybe on my backend systems, maybe even something went viral. I'll pick that up in the conversation. So if something's going viral, I need to know right now. Just like if something's going wrong, I need to know right now. So our MOAT is the ability to collect human scale sessions in real time, monitor them as they're happening, extracting all the semantics. So for example, you and I ask questions very differently, but it's the same question. We can determine that. So as we collect real-time sessions, we match the semantics, not the word for word. So that's another sort of MOAT. This is sort of deep techy, but it's really important. Consumer scale, semantic patterns in real time. That's our MOAT. And then from there, it's about giving everybody the opportunity to tune their business based on those patterns. So there's a lot more underneath the covers in the technology platform, but that's primarily our MOAT today. And we built it for video. So the cool part is we've landed these massive e-commerce companies that are launching it. And I remember we were at dinner with one. It's the 5th largest e-commerce site in the world. And they said, well, Keith, you don't really work with retail. Can you handle my scale? And I said, we work with Disney. She was like, okay, done. No, like Disney's way bigger than us. So that's why I said we built this on probably the largest scale possible. Television is massive scale. And we're now moving into agentic. So for us, the technology was baked and is built at scale in a market way bigger than agentic is right now. So our MOAT is actually overbuilt for where we are in the market. But as soon as this takes off, we're ready for it. So I think a lot of AI startups, when you drive up and down the freeway, there's a lot of AI startups who have great technology, but scale is going to break them. We learned that the hard way, right? When streaming took off, like we had to build scale, and we learned how to build scale. And right now there's a lot of AI startups who will melt when AI takes off. The scale is a very hard problem to solve. You can do something once. Can you do it a million times? In real time? That's a very hard problem.